Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Amjad Basha from New College. Today, I'm going to talk about a very common topic to all. Even though I'm from botany, I want to give awareness through this plastic pollution. It has become a part of our life. The plastic bags. I'm not going to talk all the plastics which we are going to use, but in particularly the plastic bags. This menace has become more and more day by day because these plastic bags are very cheap and very reliable. Wherever you go and you purchase it, the plastic bags are available. So if you purchase 5 rupees or 10 rupees vada, they are giving you in plastic bag. So what we are doing with these plastic bags? Day by day, year, it is the plastic bags are increasing, the pollution increasing. That's what I'm going to talk today. That is plastic bag pollution. So I'm going to talk about the introduction, the causes of plastic bag, and the consequences. What are the possible solutions and conclusion? Next. So today, what are the some of the problems in our society? First and foremost thing is population. If the population, as you know, our Indian population day by day it is increasing. We are competing with China to become number one, only in population, not any other thing. And due to population increase, we are facing the transportation problem. Next is pollution. The third very important major problem in our society, entire world is pollution. I'm not going to talk all the different forms of pollution. That is soil pollution, land pollution, different forms are there, air pollution. But today I'm going to talk only the plastic pollution. So due to this plastic pollution, you have seen in 2015 floods, you have seen the Varda floods, why the water was trucking, because whatever the plastic we are using, plastic bags, those are got stuck with our sewage system and our water couldn't flow properly, and due to that the everywhere water was there, and due to that we faced lot of diseases. That is what is the first and foremost effect of the plastic bags. We have different effects, but the first and foremost effect is the getting the diseases because of the plastic bags. And the main reason is the awareness. We don't have any awareness about the plastic bags. Summa use pandrom. So we don't have awareness to the rural people. We don't have any especially the slum dwellers. They don't have any awareness. Next, sir. So what is the plastic bag? Everybody have seen different types of plastic bags. Okay, there are thin plastic bags, flexible plastic bags, and the plastic films and all. Why we are using these things? Because to carry the food, to carry the goods, to carry the whatever we purchase it, we are using it. Next. So if you see this pie chart, you will understand all the plastic items, whatever we are using, in that nearly 40% of the plastic which we are using directly or indirectly are the plastic bags. Next. So the causes of this, the main thing is the household. What we are doing, whatever the household generation of the waste is there, we are putting in the plastic bag and just throwing it. The shops, they are also doing the same thing. Same thing, the garbage system. Wherever the empty land is there, we are just throwing in the garbage. And the lack of proper knowledge about these side effects. There are many side effects which I am going to talk. And the social responsibility ownership. Yanakanna, tukipota yanakanna. We don't have any ownership and responsibility, including me I am talking. I am not accusing anybody. And the cost of recycle. As you know, the plastic to be recycled, one complete plastic to be get degraded means it will take nearly 450 to 600 years. Please remember that. Next point. So what are the consequences? The plastic bag pollutions, beaches, and it is polluting the beaches and oceans. In 2012, the UK, one of the agency, has taken a survey that in 2012 alone, we have dumped nearly 165 million tons of plastic in the ocean. And that is going to definitely, you have seen in recently Thoothukudi, many whales, they died and came. When they opened their, this one stomach, we came to know that lot of plastic inside. And we are littering the landscape, the plastic bags kills the animals. Especially I want to highlight the human health. As you know, the girl childs earlier, they used to attain the puberty at the age of 15 and 16. Now they are attaining at the age of 6, 7, 8, below the 10. So because there is a particular chemical which is called as PBA, that is PBA and phthalates. These are all the chemicals which are available. They are reducing the lifespan of the people. And they are carcinogenic, they are causing different kinds of lung cancer different problems are there with the plastic, and they are not biodegradable. Next. So the awareness, what kind of thing, what we can do as a responsible citizen is awareness campaigns, road shows, and we have to work with the municipal corporations, and we have to participate in Swachh Bharat and Safai Abhiyan, and social responsibility is very important. Thank you.